Let's learn how to shop in isiZulu. Real words you can use today. Let's start by greeting. Sawubona, unjani? Hello, how are you? Ngiyaphila, wena unjani? I am fine, and how are you? A shopkeeper might ask you, can I help you? Ngingakusiza na? And you would say, yebo, ngicela izicathulo. Yes, I would like shoes. Then they would ask you, usayizi bani or usayizi muphi? What size? Then you'd say, usayizi weshumi, size 10. After they give you your shoes, they can ask you, do you need anything else? Kukhona okunye okudingayo na? And then you'll say, yebo, ngicela ingubo. Yes, I would like a dress. Then you would end by saying, ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ilokho kuphela. Thank you. That is all. And they would say, hamba kahle. And that is, go well. And you'd say, sala kahle. And that is, stay well. So subscribe to Zulu Mama for more easy isiZulu lessons.